catfish growing slowly, losing weight, or not reaching the size you expected? Don't worry, you're not alone. In this video, I'll show you 7 common reasons why catfish stop growing and exactly how to fix each problem. If you're new here, welcome to From Pond to Profit, where we teach simple and practical fish farming tips. Now let's dive in. Reason number 1, poor water quality. When ammonia, nitrite, or waste builds up in your pond, your fish become stressed, lose appetite, and stop growing. How to fix it? Change 20 to 30% of the water every week. Keep water clean and transparent. Add aeration to boost oxygen. Avoid overstocking. Healthy water results to healthy growth. Number 2, wrong feed habits. Most farmers feed too little or too much. Underfeeding slows growth, while overfeeding pollutes the water. Solution: feed 2 to 3 times daily in small portions. Use high quality floating pellets. Make sure all fish participate in feeding. Stop feeding when fish lose interest. Number 3, poor quality feed. Feed with low protein or fake feeds will delay growth. Solution: for fingerlings, 40 to 45% protein. For juveniles, 35% protein. Buy wholly trusted brands. Check manufacturing and expiry dates. Good feed will result to faster growth. Number 4, cold water. Catfish eat less and grow slowly when water is below 26 degrees Celsius. Solution: cover outdoor ponds at night, feed during warm hours, reduce water change during cold mornings. Number 5, overstocking. Too many fish in one pond leads to competition, stress, and slow growth. Solution: for concrete ponds, 80 to 100 fish per square meter. For tarpaulin ponds, 60 to 80 per square meter. Reduce stock if growth is uneven. Number 6, farmers don't sort their fish. Bigger fish bully smaller ones, eat more, and grow faster, while the smaller ones remain stunted. Solution: sort fish every 2 to 3 weeks. Separate big, medium, and small sizes. Feed them differently. And number 7, diseases or parasites. Sick fish stop eating and lose weight. The signs: red patches, weak swimming, loss of appetite, or white spots. Solution: salt bath treatment. Clean water, isolate sick fish. So those are the 7 major reasons your catfish may not be growing well. Fix this and you will see fast improvements in just a few weeks. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with another fish farmer. Thanks for watching From Pond to Profit. See you in the next video.